Hello everyone, how are you doing? In this video, I came to bring you information about the Mitolyn supplement if you're looking to lose weight in a 100% natural way and want to get the Mitolyn supplement. Stay with me until the end because I'm going to share all the information with you and tell you if the supplement really works. Before I share the information about the Mitolyn supplement, I want to make a warning guys down below pinned in the first comment. Also in the video description you'll find the official website for the Mitolyn supplement. There you will find the original supplement 100% natural, and you also have access to a guarantee that I'll explain to you how it works in just a moment. Guys, the Mitolyn supplement is designed for both men and women who want to lose weight without following dietary doing physical exercises. The supplement works directly inside our mitochondria. For those who don't know, our mitochondria are responsible for providing energy to our body. The Mitolyn supplement speeds up our metabolism working inside our mitochondria and allowing us to lose weight without having to follow diets or physical exercises. That's why the supplement is successful and why it has helped many people achieve the body they desire. The Mitolyn supplement is so powerful it brings results quickly that you only need to take one capsule a day. You take only capsule a day every day and you start seeing results from the first week off use, of course. To achieve even better results, it is recommended that you undergo the treatment for at least 3 months, but the complete treatment lasts for 6 months, and the Mitolyn supplement offers a 90-day guarantee for anyone who wants to see all the results that the supplement can bring. Just a reminder that the original supplement as well as guarantee is only for those who purchase from the official manufacturer's website. And as I mentioned to you earlier at the beginning of the video, the official Mitolyn website will be pinned in the first comment and also in the description. And if you have any questions, leave it here in the comments too. As soon as possible, I'll come back and respond to all of you.